Good radiance. Social media reacts to corruption-accused ANC MP Zizi Kodwa resigns. The political fortunes of former Sports Minister Zizi Kodwa took a significant knock on Thursday when he finally announced his resignation as a Member of Parliament effective immediately. The resignation comes after mounting pressure for the corruption-accused ANC MP to step aside from the role in line with the party's step-aside resolution for public officials charged in the courts. There were question marks raised in June when Kodwa took up his seat in Parliament despite facing corruption charges in the courts. In May, the embattled former minister resigned as sports minister a few weeks before the May 29th elections amid his corruption probe. Kodwa, a prominent figure in the ANC, sent his resignation letter to the party's Secretary General Fikile Mbalula, which was promptly acknowledged. The news quickly spread across social media platforms, sparking a wave of reactions from the public and activists alike. The suddenness of his departure caught many by surprise, leading to widespread speculation about the reasons behind his decision. In an interview on Newsroom Africa, ANC Veteran League leader Snukizi Kalala said they were angry as veterans that Kodwa was sworn in as an MP despite being criminally charged. On X, users expressed a mix of shock, disappointment, and curiosity. Some individuals speculated about potential scandals or political maneuvering behind the scenes. The resignation of Kodwa from Parliament has ignited a flurry of reactions on social media, with users criticizing the ANC's handling of the situation and questioning Kodwa's initial appointment. User @Bruno8882 remarked, "The ANC handling of the Zizi Kodwa issue reveals its unethical conduct. If they had any integrity, they wouldn't have allowed him to become an MP, given the fraud and corruption trial." He further states on X, "The way the ANC has dealt with Zizi Kodwa's matter say a lot about his unethical conduct." Another user, @Maza564772651, questioned, why was he made a member of the parliament knowing he was corrupt? User @ChrisFVZ expressed relief, saying, "Good radiance. When will the rest of the corruption ANC MPs follow?" @CVZ@ChrisFVZ says, "Similarly, MGA 23597675967 commented, they tried to force him into parliament thinking people would forget, but it has backfired. Now it's embracing for the nation, including Zizi Kodwa. They're playing cheap politics." User @JabzinSA criticized the delay in action, stating, "They're just wasting our time. They should have accepted Zizi Kodwa's first resignation before he was sworn in, knowing he faced corruption charges. Sometimes they can be quite dramatic." Finally, @Bongani MKJ said, "About time. But why was he nominated, and why did he accept? The ANC's step-aside rule clearly states that members facing serious charges should step aside per Rule 25.70. In the meantime, Judge Mandisa Maya's historic appointment as first woman Chief Justice hailed. The appointment of Judge Mandisa Maya as the country's first woman Chief Justice has been hailed across many sectors in society. President Cyril Ramaphosa announced on Thursday night that Maya would succeed the retiring Chief Justice Raymond Zondo from September 1, 2024. Sonto is set to formally retire as Chief Justice on August 31, 2024. He succeeded his predecessor Mogoeng about 2 years ago in March 2020. The Motor Industry Staff Association, MISA, has congratulated Judge Maya, with the CEO for operations, Marty Cater, praising her dedication and firm approach. Cater highlighted these qualities as crucial for tackling the challenges facing the Constitutional Court. There is no one more deserving of this honor. Judge Maya worked hard throughout her career. Her dedication and fair but firm approach is needed to steer the Constitutional Court, who has been battling with an overburdened court roll and a backlog of cases, said Cater. Parliament's Portfolio Committee of Justice and Constitutional Development Chairperson, Ola, praised his historic moment, recognizing Judge Maya's qualifications, leadership qualities, and extensive judicial experience. He expressed confidence in her ability to lead the judiciary with distinction. This is a great milestone for the country and its efforts to promote gender equality and the emancipation of women. Justice Maya is a highly respected and dedicated jurist. The committee commends this appointment, said Ngola. She follows in the footsteps of great legal minds as she becomes the 7th Chief Justice in the democratic South Africa. The committee wishes her well on her appointment and knows she will make the country proud, added Ngola. Action SA celebrated Judge Maya's appointment, calling it a big step forward in a traditionally male-dominated judiciary. The party highlighted that diverse representation strengthens institutions and improves democracy. Justice Mandisa Maya's appointment represents a breakthrough in the traditionally male-dominated judiciary, serving as a beacon of progress and inspiration to women across South Africa. Her exemplary career, marked by dedication and an unwavering commitment to justice, sets a powerful example for aspiring female legal professionals, said Action SA. Action SA also expressed its belief that Maya's presence on the bench will contribute significantly to a more balanced and representative judiciary, enhancing the perspectives and insights that shape our legal landscape. The Minister of Justice, Thembi Simelane, welcomed Judge Maya's appointment as a major achievement for South Africa. She recalled Judge Maya's 2022 statement that the country was ready for a woman Chief Justice and noted that this appointment reflects a broader shift towards inclusivity in the judiciary. Today we have a female Chief Justice. This appointment signifies the deeper appreciation of how far we have come as a nation and how much our courts have transformed both in terms of race and gender. It signifies the transformation agenda of what was previously a male-dominated judiciary. Justice Maya brings with her profound experience and legal brilliance spanning many decades in the legal profession, said Simelane. The African National Congress ANC has also welcomed the appointment, highlighting Judge Maya's extensive qualifications, leadership qualities, and significant judicial experience. Judge Maya's qualification and judicial record, leadership qualities, experience as a judge in various courts, past leadership of the Supreme Court of Appeal, and current role as Deputy Chief Justice makes her well suited to lead the judiciary in South Africa. Through upholding the principles of judicial independence and integrity, the Deputy Chief Justice has played a crucial role in maintaining the credibility and trust in the judiciary, said the ANC. The appointment has also generated significant reactions on social media. And that's it from Egypt's network. Stay tuned to our celebrity and gossip news.